How to fix Roblox not launching. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So first of all, for that you want to go ahead and restart your computer. Start with a simple restart to refresh the system process. For that, tap on this icon, tap on the power icon, and then simply tap on restart. Once you restart the computer, the next option would be to simply check your internet connection. You'll have to go ahead and ensure that your internet is stable. Also restart your router or switch to a wired connection for better performance. Now next step, you want to go ahead and simply click Windows plus R and it's going to open a run. So you want to go ahead and type in percentage local app data percentage. Once you type it in, tap on OK. Now you want to go ahead and search for Roblox. So once you search for it, go ahead and right click onto it and then simply delete this folder. Once you delete that, go ahead and restart Roblox to see if it works. Now next step, you simply want to go ahead and disable antivirus or firewall. Sometimes your antivirus or firewall may block Roblox, so add Roblox as an exception in your security settings if that is the case. Now the next step, you simply want to go ahead and search for settings, tap open, and once you're inside the settings, tap on apps, select installed apps, and then in the search bar, go ahead and search for Roblox. Now once you search for it, you want to go ahead and delete Roblox Player as well as Roblox Studio. Once you install Roblox from your PC, you want to go ahead and reinstall the application again. With that, your problem will be solved. Well, that's simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.